So, Josh, notice you don't ask for subscribers, you don't have a Patreon, you don't do things like that. How come? It's by design. It's by design. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, all right. One is different from the other. Let's contrast and compare. Okay, so if you look at the hat has two different skull and crossbones. The one on the right has bigger teeth and bigger eyes. The one on the left has a big forehead. Little better defined bones, if you will. Also on these, if you look here at the teeth, the one on the right has the outlines of the teeth, and the one on the left, no outlines. So there is definitely a variation in the painting on this. And then when we look down at the bottom, and we see the different codes, the codes are different as well. One's ends in an 0802 and the other in a 1024. So they are two different boxes, two different dispensers, and two different POP PEZ. See, it's kind of cool to be different. So there you go. So until next time.